Hey, Gary Baker here at 30minutemarketing.net. In today's quick video, I'm doing a review of Activity Book Mastery from Ken Bluntman. This is all about building activity books that you could use to easily make money online with, say, Amazon KDP, or sell them as printables, or if you have your own website, or even make your own physical products, your own physical books. So let's jump right into this. As you can see, here's the sales page. Are you ready? Passive profits are yours for the taking. Take that for what it is, but what we're talking about here is getting instant access to the Activity Book Mastery by clicking this button. But before you do that, I want to show you the bonus that I'm going to provide you when you pick it up through the link in the description and the pinned first comment. So when you click on the link in the description and the pinned first comment, it's going to take you over to this page, and this is my bonus page here for Activity Book Mastery. As you can see right here, you're going to get Maze PLR Volume 1, which is going to be 100 black square mazes in PNG format with transparent background. I'm also going to give you some animal images right here, like the zebra that you see. I'm also going to give you those same animal images in dot-to-dot images. And then I'm going to show you how you can use these inside of Activity Book Mastery starting right now. So once you use the link in the description and the pinned first comment and hop over the bonus page and purchase Activity Book Mastery and get those bonuses that are on that page, you're going to be inside of the members area. Inside the members area, what Ken has put together here is some instructions about activity books, using the software, publishing a book, about graphics and PDFs, and about how to combine those and to actually make PDFs that you can sell online, specifically how to use them on Amazon KDP. But I want to jump into the tools and actually show you how they work and how you're going to be able to use the bonuses that I'm giving you. And we'll start with Kaleidoscopes. Now, Kaleidoscopes here are basically Mandela-like images. So what you can do is you can upload, or what you have to do is you have to upload JPEGs into this Kaleidoscope tool. The instructions are down here. But what happens is, for example, if you were to take a maze or the zebra, you would upload that in here. Then you have the option to output that at 800 pixels, 1200, 1600, or 2000 pixels. In this case, we'll go ahead and just leave the default of 800 pixels. And we'll go ahead and say go. And you can see how you're going to be able to easily use this maze image that I'm giving you as a bonus to create an image, or to create a kaleidoscope image that you could put into your activity books. So you just simply press go. You can see right there, this is what it's going to look like right out of the default. All you do is simply drag your mouse along the screen here, and you can see this image changing and getting a very crazy, weird, cool, whatever word you can use to describe it. It's pretty awesome, but you can see that you're going to be able to use the maze images that I'm giving you as a bonus to create something very, very unique just by clicking on this and dragging the button. And then, of course, once you find what you like, all you have to do is stop dragging your mouse, click on it, click Save Image As. That image will download right there. Then you can open that image and you can see exactly what you created. There it is. You can put that right into your activity books, and it'll make a great addition to any type of activity book that you are creating. So let's go ahead and go back here, go back to the kaleidoscope. Again, check out the zebra that I have here. We'll go ahead and we'll jump this up to 1200 pixels just to show you how the difference. Go ahead and click go. You can see here that it's actually off the screen on my computer. This is a MacBook Pro screen, so I ran out of real estate. But check this out. As you drag this mouse across the screen, you can see this image again, creating something very unique that's almost like a little heart there. Check that out. You can go back and you can go forward, and look, I'm creating something again very, very unique out of that zebra image, and you're going to be able to create very unique and original designs right here inside of the kaleidoscope with those bonus images that I'm giving you. Go ahead and click go back. We'll pop into picture slices and talk about that. What this is going to do is going to allow you to create little squares where people have to redraw the images. So inside of the activity book, it's going to create these image squares. And again, this must be a JPEG. And we're going to go ahead and click choose file. And we're going to just grab one of these images again. This is going to be the zebra right here. Of course, that's one of the bonus images that I'm giving you. So go ahead and we will upload that. Of course, you can break this into 100 or 200 squares. I'll demonstrate both of those. We'll go ahead and upload the picture. Then here you can download the zip file, or you can simply just click for the PDF. And now you can see what this is. This is a rather large image. This would be for more challenging, so for older kids or for adults. But what you can see is it broke that zebra image up right there into slices, literally picture slices. So for example, A4, you would find A4 and then you would draw this inside of A4. And you would keep going. For example, G7 be down here, G7, and then you would just draw that. So the person that has your activity book would draw these slices into this picture, recreating the zebra. So again, we'll go back to picture slice. We'll go ahead and now we'll make that into 200 pixel squares. We'll go ahead and we'll grab that same zebra image and we'll show you the difference between the 100 pixel squares and the 200 pixel squares. Go ahead and upload that picture. And now we'll click the PDF. As you can see, this is a smaller block, so it'll be a little less challenging again for younger kids or whoever you're targeting your activity book at. You can see those slices, for example, D2, D1. You would simply just scroll down here, D1, D2, draw those in there, and then complete the picture right there in each square. So again, that was picture slices. We'll move on to layered images. Inside of layered images, what this is going to do is just layer the image. So we're going to go with a hippo image. This is one of the images that I'm going to give you. You have layer density, tight, medium, and light. We'll go ahead and just demo this with light, or medium, which is the default. Go ahead and hit go. There you can see it just laid these hippos one over the other and instantly created a very unique design that you could just add to your activity book to really punch it up. So we'll go ahead and go back and we'll go into seamless images. And for seamless images, you're going to do the same thing. This must be a JPEG right here. One quick note on this JPEG or PNG, because there are some of these that take PNGs, but the majority take JPEGs. The images that I'm giving you, which I'm going to show you right now, right here, are all in PNG format. So for example, the mazes, you'll see right here, some have entry and exit points, some have without entry and exit points. But you can see the mazes right there, that's how they are. They are in the PNG format. Now let's go back and we'll take a look at the animals. So here are the animals right here. Again, they are in PNG format, but you can simply convert those by going to a site like PNG to JPEG. So PNG to JPEG.com, you simply just upload it, it'll convert that, and you download it. Very simply, very easily to convert between PNG and JPEG or JPEG and PNG. So now back to activity book. We'll go ahead and we are in seamless image. How it works, an image is copied and flipped horizontally and vertically. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and grab a JPEG. We'll go ahead and grab that zebra JPEG again. We'll upload that picture and you'll see exactly how the seamless image tool is going to work by clicking here for the PDF. You can see here it just layered the zebra top and bottom, just flipped it, gave you an instant page right here that you can add to your activity or your coloring book for kids or adults, depending on what the image is. Moving on, inside of Activity Book Mastery, you have comic book templates. Here, this is very simple and straightforward. There's 4 types of layouts. You go in here, you pick your layout image, you just click it. Then you can just select your quantity, hit go. That's going to give you the PDF right there, ready to go, ready to print. You can add that to your activity book. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We'll go ahead and go back to activity book, keep going. Of course, there's some mazes here. I'm giving you maze PLR. Specifically, I'm giving you the maze PLR for the Kaleidoscopes, but you could also use those in your book. There are 6 different types of mazes currently in here. Of course, you can see square, circle, diamond, quad, double, corridor, and star maze. Very simply, just select your quantity. If you want to include the maze numbers, click go. Hop over here, you can get the maze PDFs or the maze PDF solutions just by clicking here. That'll break up the PDF. There you go, the mazes are numbered, maze number 2. Of course, the corresponding solutions will be in the other PDF that you can download right here by clicking here to download the solutions. You can see the solutions right there, numbered, so you can easily find them in your activity book. Now, you have paper games as well, which is going to be word search. Word search, this is going to be a random word that is loaded in a dictionary that's pre-built. Of course, you would just enter the quantity that you want, click go. These are not going to be organized or sorted, they're just going to be random. So if you open up the puzzles, you're just going to see it's just random assorted words that are random order, random sorted size, everything you see here, but just that quick and easy and simple to create a few puzzles of assorted words and add to your activity book. Then under paper games, you have Sudoku, which is going to be the same thing. You have level easy, medium, hard, and mixed. Same thing. Hit the quantity that you want. For example, if you want mixed, we'll say we want 4 or 7. Click go. Right here, you have your puzzles. You can see the puzzle: hard, easy, hard, easy, medium. So it did mix them. Here are your solutions. Numbered: puzzle 1, puzzle 2, puzzle 3, puzzle 4, puzzle 7. So there you go. You have the puzzles and the solutions. Inside the paper game still is Hangman. These are just templates to print out. Tic-tac-toe, same thing, just templates that you'd easily just print out. It'll pop them out in PDF. The paper size they output them in is 8.5 by 11. Now, the reason I showed you kaleidoscopes, picture slice, layered images, seamless images, comic, templates, mazes, and paper games, which include word search, Sudoku, Hangman, and tic-tac-toe, is because that's everything you're going to get when you purchase Activity Book Mastery. On the front end, there is going to be an upsell, which is an additional cost, which is going to be to access trivia. Again, you do not get this if you purchase just the front end. You only get kaleidoscopes, picture slice, layered images, seamless images, comic book templates, mazes, and paper games. But you will be presented with an offer to purchase the trivia upgrade. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on trivia. You can see right here, when I'm making this video, it was actually the day before the launch, July 15th, 2020. It is in development, but it does work. There are categories. So for example, you could say you want science only. You could say how many questions you want. Say you want 6. You can select different font size. So if you're going to print your book and say on KDP that it is a large print book, then you would need to select large print 16-point font, and you would simply click Create Trivia. Here it's going to open up and say, click here for your PDF of trivia questions as well as your answers. So you'd click here for the questions, and it simply is that, a list of questions, trivia questions. Which country has the most number of islands? How many countries are in Asia? How many teeth does an adult human typically have? Mount Everest is located in which country? Go back and you get the answers to the questions right here by clicking here. Which country has the most number of islands? Sweden. How many countries are in Asia? 48. As you can see, there are the answers to your trivia. Again, really punching up your activity books just by simply clicking the button, selecting a category or no preference, and then just selecting the quantity of questions you want and have them output into a PDF. So don't forget, click the link in the description in the pinned first comment. That will take you over to my Activity Book Mastery bonus page that you'll see right here. It'll show you the bonuses, the maze PLR that we used in the kaleidoscopes, the animal images that we used in picture slices, as well as in the kaleidoscopes, and layered images and seamless images. And I'm also giving you the dot-to-dots that I've created from those same animal images that'll really add some uniqueness to your activity books. And all you have to do to get Activity Book Mastery plus your bonuses now is click this green button after you click the link in the description in the pinned first comment. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.